siya yung...
You can't say enough about how good Felix is. So, gumaganda yung laro niya every game. Of course, maybe this is a really good game. No, hindi naman natin ini-expect na kaya niyang gawin yan every time. Pero importante, you know you have a solid option at the point guard position. Steady, hindi nagpapanik, can play under pressure. To think that this is just his 5th game in the Philippines. Hindi siya familiar dun sa mga players. So, ang laki pa ng upside niya. Ang laki ng upside niya. He's only 25 years old. Tapos, ano pa? Maliit pa sweldo. So, ang laki talaga upside niya.